it is important for us to pass this bill and to make sure that you people in schools, wale wanatafuta kazi, we will provide for you. The president promised you that he wants to look after the youth, the 5 million youth. Come hapa Limuru, we will be able to build for this particular year 200 units of houses. But you know what? It will provide our people here employment. So that's important. Na nyinyi, so we can provide even for education. Sindio? Sinyi munakura? So you want good food? We want to provide in this country sufficient food so that we can feed ourselves. We know we are a Christian country, we pray to God. Is it? But we cannot be a country that we ourselves, kazi yetu ni kwenda ng'ambo kuomba wale wengine chakula. It will look like sisi hatuamini Mungu, tunaamini wale wengine wanakuza mahindi huku. We can do it. And we are here. Mimi ni engineer, si ndio? Niliwaambia, my kids went to this school. I have a proud medical doctor, specialist in allergies, alitoka hii shule. Yule mwingine, to you people, that this school will produce the doctors, the politicians, the agriculturists, the economists that we need to take this country to another level. Sindio? Yes. Simuseme amen. Amen. Sindio hiyo? Sasa yangu ni kusema to the president, thank you very much. Because you have set the way. When you promise, you deliver. Even we believe all the promises of Kenya Kwanza. Asante hiyo, simuseme asante sawa sawa. Asante. Ndio. Unajua huyu ndiye ataenda kupeleka report. Kazi zitapatikana Kenya hii. Ndio. Mambo ya ajira ya youth, mambo ya ICT ndio tunafocus sana. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kusema asante to the principal. Ndio. Wacheni, we would like to go on record and see to the Peter to Kapita Kapri to the principal. Now that you have buses, tatu, na unajua your neighboring areas hapa, wengine they don't even have a laboratory. Ningekuuliza tu,